Welcome to Condiment Corner, where we dive into the exciting world of condiments, where every dollop is a burst of flavor and every squeeze is a culinary adventure. From tangy sauces to zesty relishes, condiments come in a delightful array of flavors and textures, each adding a touch of magic to every bite. Are you ready to explore the diverse and delicious varieties of condiments that enhance every meal and elevate every dish to new heights of flavor? Let's dive in and discover the Condiment Corner together. Our journey begins with the iconic classic, ketchup, a tangy and sweet tomato-based condiment that's beloved around the world. Spells out K-E-T-C-H-U-P, ketchup. Can you taste the ripe tomatoes and feel the zesty tang as you dip a crispy French fry or juicy burger into a pool of ketchup? Ketchup. Let's celebrate the timeless appeal and culinary versatility of ketchup as we enjoy it on everything from hot dogs to eggs and beyond. Next, we add a touch of zing with mustard, a bold and tangy condiment that's perfect for adding flavor to sandwiches, salads, and dressings. Spells out M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard. Can you taste the sharp bite and feel the spicy kick as you spread a generous layer of mustard onto a hot pretzel or ham sandwich? Mustard. Let's embrace the bold flavor and culinary versatility of mustard as we enjoy it in classic dishes and creative culinary creations. Now, let's indulge in the creamy richness of mayonnaise, a velvety condiment that adds a smooth and savory touch to sandwiches, salads, and dips. Spells out M-A-Y-O-N-N-A-I-S-E, mayonnaise. Can you taste the silky texture and feel the rich flavor as you spread a dollop of mayonnaise onto a turkey club or mix it into a creamy potato salad? Mayonnaise. Let's celebrate the creamy indulgence and culinary comfort of mayonnaise as we enjoy it in a variety of dishes and recipes. Moving on to the vibrant flavors of salsa, a fresh and spicy condiment that's perfect for dipping, topping, and adding a kick to your favorite dishes. Spells out S-A-L-S-A, salsa. Can you taste the ripe tomatoes, fiery peppers, and zesty lime as you scoop up a spoonful of salsa with a crunchy tortilla chip or spoon it over grilled fish or chicken? Salsa. Let's embrace the vibrant flavors and culinary versatility of salsa as we enjoy it in tacos, burritos, and as a topping for grilled meats and seafood.